All right, bring it in, guys. This stuff is really cool. Very few products have my family members calling me, asking me about it, but this stuff did. All right, so Tropical Glitz, it's their custom colors, and they have them in all kinds of varieties, all kinds of applications. Today, we're using stuff right out of a spray can, and you talk about great colors that, boom, have magnificent pop. This is your jam.
It's a way to have fun with paint. Now,
yeah,
it's on automotive grade on the top of the chart.
Yeah.
So you know it's going to handle everything from fading, chipping, everything you'd expect,
protection.
even up to temperatures of 400 degrees. So for under hood and areas like that, you're good to go. Now, you got everything from the metallics and the pearls to the, you know, it's all in there, all different from wild to mild.
Yeah, any sort of ambers you want, crazy pop, flop, cool colors, cool combos, man, they got you covered.
Yeah, so we're gonna spray these today. Now we have Seductive Blue. Ooh, get the mood music going in there.
Right?
All right. So again, this is gonna create a little bit of pop in that car. Everything else is color matched. Yeah. This will be the, you know, pieces of flair.
A little bit of contrast that makes you go, oh, wow, that looks pretty good, a little different.
And it's so easy to apply that, you know, all you guys can do it at home to different areas, and you can experiment, have some fun. All right, you doing that side over there?
Yeah,
I'll start hitting some of these.
Gotcha.
All right.
We're actually going back and forth over it, building up the layers, getting this blue to pop. A couple things, though. When you're actually painting, one good trick to do, get the paint in the can ready, you can do so by either putting it in front of a heater, that's what I like to do, or running some hot water over it, put it in a little tub with hot water. Just you want to heat that paint up a little bit, because if it's cold or cooler, then what happens, it gets really dense, tends to clog. There's a little tube that goes down to the bottom of the can and kind of bends, and that tends to get blocked up as well. Another note, if you're storing a can with, say, any sort of glitter, flake, anything like that in it, always smart to store it upside down. Now, we just got a few more layers to go, and then we'll come back and cover it with clear, and you'll really see this pop. Next, build that clear up on all of it. Gonna let it sit overnight, so when we come back and mount everything back up, you know, all the paint's hard, protected, and the pieces are gonna look good for a long time. So shout out Tropical Glitz Color Paints. If you're looking for any sort of pop in your paint, you gotta check these guys out, man. Whether it's reds, blues, greens, any color you want with big time pop, that's a great resource.